Hey, what's up? Thanks for checking out my video. I post a lot of videos just about travel hacks, little food reviews on the road, um, booze reviews, stuff like that too, gear, camping stuff, just living that nomadic life. And I just have to give a quick recommendation on a particular product. I wish I'd seen this video a while back myself because I certainly would have used it. I'm just on the go all the time, and this is absolutely, for the price, the best universal phone mount that I've ever seen. A lot of times too, I'm traveling and flying places and renting cars, so just something that's portable. And this thing, it's really, really cool. It's very simple. Whoops. It's just so easy and simple and smart how it mounts. Just that little clip right there. And you can just put it in any air vent, stick it in there good, and then just fold it over. And there you go. Nothing to it. And then so easy. This is an iPhone 8 Plus, so this is a big phone, and I've got a case on it, and you can see it easily still fits in there. So I think it'd have no problem even fitting like a big Galaxy Note or something like that. And there's a little button on the back right here that you press. You get that nice little motion there. It comes out just, I mean, incredibly easy. And it's only like $14. So I'll put a link down below where you can pick this up off Amazon, is where I got it. For 14 bucks, it's so travel ready. I mean, it's good to go right out of the box. You just can't beat it. And I have tried a bunch of these things. Some of them pretty good, but they're definitely not portable, or they have kind of like a glue suction cup thing or whatever. And listen, I was skeptical that it would hold a big, heavy phone like this just with the air vent clip. But again, this is an iPhone 8 Plus, and it holds it just fine. So this is just a 100%. If you live that nomadic lifestyle too, this is an absolute 100% easy product recommendation. So check it out. Do me a favor too, hit the like button on this video. Why not? It's good YouTube karma. Hit the subscribe button as well if you want to see some more of these types of videos. Most importantly, have a wonderful day.